Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a financial reward by just walking. I love walking, and I admire its benefits. It helped me to lose weight and reverse my type 2 diabetes. But I must admit, sometimes walking gets a bit boring, especially when walking alone without friends or someone watching your progress. When you walk alone, you quickly lose motivation, and the only thing you can do is to praise yourself as the only reward you can have. No one witnesses your improvement and no one sees your progress. I was fortunate to find out about Sweatcoin app, which turned the boring unchallenged task to a rewarding, motivational and intriguing challenge. What I find interesting about this app is that it rewards your walking daily steps with Sweatcoin currency, which you can spend on your favorite products. This app promotes health and charitable causes, which I find very intriguing. By the way, this app is a free app, very intuitive, easy to use, and you can share the challenges with your friends. That's why I decided to make this video and share it with you.